Hey guys, Yana Speaks here, and in this video, I am doing the love reading for the sign of Scorpio. Now, I want to start off by saying that all of my readings are general, so they may or may not resonate with you because not every single Scorpio is going through the same exact thing, obviously. So, if you find that this reading does not resonate, then it would be in your best interest to book a private reading with me. All the information to do so will be in the description below. All right. So, Scorpios, let's start off by asking your spirit guides what important messages. Actually, no. I'm going to start by asking your spirit guides what is your overall energy this month. So, what is the overall energy for Scorpios this month? What is the Scorpios' overall energy? What is the Scorpios' overall energy? So, your overall energy is the Empress. So, some of you may be pregnant, or if you're not pregnant, you may find out that you're pregnant. You know, like you may be like, no, there's no way I'm pregnant. Well, you may find out that you're pregnant this month. If not, it's just you being in this energy of like abundance and being like very loving, very nurturing to the person that you're with. You know, you probably feel, this is the thing I know, it's like a lot of times when you're in love, it makes you want to be more nurturing and more loving and more motherly. It makes you like tap into that energy. So I feel like you're really being loved by this person, and you're just exuding like this glow, this aura. Like that, like you know, when you think of like when people be like, oh, such and such is pregnant, she has this glow to her. That's kind of like how you are right now in this month, all right? And I feel like things are changing very fast between you and this person. Things may have happened really fast between you and this person, so it could have been like you guys kind of rushed this connection. Like I don't know, like maybe you guys met like one day, and then by like Saturday. Okay, let me use a bad example. So let's say, I'm just using an example. Let's say y'all you met 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago y'all met, and like y'all already telling each other y'all love each other. Y'all already telling each other that y'all want to have kids with each other. It's like the relationship is just moving so fast. Things are progressing so fast. And it's because it just feels that good. So yeah, I'm seeing that. But I think that it's moving so fast, like things are like moving so fast and things feel so good that it kind of has you being like, because you're the queen of swords here, so it kind of has you like second guessing it and kind of being like in this energy of like wanting to think logically about the connection. So it could be like you're seeing that things are moving really fast between you and this person, and you're like, you know what, let me maybe slow this down. Let me go about this in a more logical and a realistic way, which is like taking it slow. And I feel like a part of that has to do with the fact that your feelings for them can be kind of up and down. You know what I mean? I also feel like it's because you have a lot going on, you're juggling a lot, so maybe you kind of don't want to like put all your eggs into one basket with this person. You don't want to like give them your all because you have so much going on. But I feel like you feel really solid with this person. You're feeling really good. You're feeling really confident. You're feeling really stable. Like you're not feeling super needy. Like you're like in a positive energy because this person makes you feel positive, if that makes sense. So it could be like you wanting things to slow down because you don't want this feeling to go away. You don't want to mess it up with them. And I feel like it's because you've been through a lot. You've endured a lot of bumps and bruises, and you probably worked really hard to be where you are today, and you just don't want anything to ruin that. So far it looks like a good reading. Now, you not wanting that to be messed up, like you not wanting, this connection to get effed up. There's nothing wrong with that. If anything, it's the smartest way to go about it. All right, so I want to see, how's this person feeling about you? So how does this person feel about the Scorpio? How's this person feeling about the Scorpio? Oh man, yeah, they're feeling you. They feel really emotionally fulfilled by you. Okay, if you look at that, look at them. Look how in love they look. And this person, honestly, I think some of y'all are pregnant. If y'all not pregnant this month, y'all gonna get pregnant next month. It's like things are moving so fast between this person. That's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like you're gonna get pregnant unexpectedly. Like, it's, this looks good. Like, I'm seeing you guys like creating a family together. They feel really emotionally fulfilled by you. Come on now. This person's head over heels for you. They want to be your knight in shining armor. They're like offering their cup of love to you, and they're like, be with me. You're just my queen. You're my empress. You're my goddess. This is crazy. Just be mindful that this person may make certain promises that they may not always be able to live up to, but their intentions are good. They want to make you happy. Okay? Yeah, this person, oh my god, they love you. They love you. Queen of Cups, not Queen of Cups, King of Cups here, and the Sun. Come on now. This person feels emotionally fulfilled by you. They feel like you have a deep place in their heart. They may feel like sometimes they have to like hold back how they feel. Like sometimes they may feel like they have to keep it to themselves. Like maybe they were constantly telling you like how much they care about you and love you, and maybe like they're scared like, okay, maybe I need to like chill and not say so much because I may like lose the Scorpio. But this person loves you, and with the Sun being here, you make them so happy. You give them so much peace, so much clarity. They're clear that they love you. Yeah, this person loves you. This person freaking loves you. I really don't even want to continue with this reading because I don't want to jinx it. Okay, let me just ask Spirit what advice they have for you. This is going to be a short reading. What advice do you have for the Scorpios? What advice do you have for the Scorpios? What advice do you have for the Scorpios? I feel like in love, this person may be at a distance from you too. I feel like that might be why you're maybe a little afraid that this won't work. This reading seems similar to the, I think, the Libra reading. So I don't know if you're dealing with a Libra, but you may be a little afraid that this may not work because this person could possibly be at a distance from you, because I see 3 different travel cards here. And I feel like also too, you guys are going through your own spiritual journey, your own spiritual healing. But Spirit is saying that you should not reject this person, that you should not reject this love, that it really has the potential to be something very, very beautiful. I also feel like you have other options too, so that could be the reason why you're like kind of resisting a little bit when it comes to this, and you could be afraid of like feeling rejected. Maybe like you're afraid if you give your all to one person that like they'll reject you, and then you gave up on your other options and now you're like, oh great, like what am I to do? But honestly, I feel like this is love. Yeah, there's going to be balance here. This is your good karma for all the things that you went through in life, okay? Especially in relationships. Like I said, there's balance, there's equal give and take here. And you're going to be able to manifest with this person. This person is resourceful. You're resourceful. You guys are going to come together and create something really beautiful. So this looks like a really good connection. And I don't want you guys to be afraid to explore this. So I'm going to end this reading here because I don't want to jinx this, okay? So, if you guys found this reading helpful, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. If you'd like to book a private reading with me, can you close my door?
No.
Please. Can you close my door?
No.
In a second. Close my door. Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys remember, right? Some of you are new subscribers, some of you are old subscribers, but for the new subscribers and the old subscribers, obviously, I've been trying to get this masterclass out for a while, but like every time I would say, okay, I'm gonna get it out, something would always come up, always, and I just wasn't able to get it out. Like I would have like an overflow of readings, just like personal stuff. I would get a whole bunch of like one-on-one coaching, so it just made it where it was really hard to get this masterclass out. So I finally was able to get it done. All right, so I was saying to myself, like, I could put it out this month, right? But then I was thinking, you know what, I want to start off fresh for the new year, because I know everyone, especially with the, you know, the New Year's resolution, everyone wants to start off fresh. You know, we're entering 2020. So it's not even like we're just entering a new year. We're literally entering a new decade. And, you know, I just wanted to be able to get this masterclass out as soon as possible. So it is done, but I'm not going to launch it until January, the very first week of January. All right, so if you're interested in this masterclass of learning how to remove the current blockages in your love life right now, okay, blockages, obstacles, whatever issues you're facing in your love life right now, even if you have trust issues, even if you think you don't measure up, this masterclass is for you. All right, so if you want to register for it so that you can be one of the very first people to attend it, because I'm only allowing 100 people to attend this masterclass, it would be in your best interest to just go ahead and register on the in the link in the description below. All right, so that you can make sure that you secure your spot, and that you know, you don't miss out on getting a seat for it. Yes, this masterclass is online. It's not like you have to you know, be there physically. It's online, right? Anyways, if you guys would like to book a private reading with me in the meanwhile, all the information to do that will be in the description below. If you'd like to join my free Facebook group, all the information to do that is in the description below. And I will see you guys in the next reading. Talk to you soon. Bye.